And from breakthroughs to cancer research to transformative surgeries, it's been quite a year for doctors. Fox News' Dr. Manny Alvarez takes us on a look back at the year in health.
There were quite a few incredible face transplants in 2018. Nearly 2.5 years after Cameron Underwood attempted to end his life, the 26-year-old was given a second chance, thanks in part to his face transplant team at New York University Langone Medical Center.
I'm able to smile, to speak, and to eat solid foods again.
National Geographic's September issue covered the transformation of Katie Stubblefield, a 21-year-old survivor of a suicide attempt who became the youngest person in the United States to undergo a face transplant.
Her whole story made our team come together much faster, and I think we sort of ran toward her to take care of her.
Stubblefield went through 3 years of reconstructive procedures and more than 15 hours on the operating table. A new groundbreaking breast cancer study found many women with early breast cancer do not benefit from chemotherapy. New data from a trial called TAILOR-X show that 70% of women with the most common type of breast cancer may not need chemotherapy, which would eliminate the harsh side effects associated with the cardiotoxic treatment. Juuling became a big trend this year. Juuls are a type of vaporizers designed to be so discreet that most people don't know they're an e-cigarette. They're small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and can be charged using a laptop's USB slot, making it easy for students to pass them off as flash drives in class. From 1999 to 2016, more than 200,000 people died in the United States from overdoses related to prescription opioids, according to the CDC.
Together, we are going to end the scourge of drug addiction in America. We are going to end it, or we are going to at least make an extremely big dent in this terrible, terrible problem.
President Donald Trump signed sweeping opioids legislation into law. The bill included provisions aimed at supporting research to find new drugs for pain management that will not be addictive. It also increased access to treatment for substance abuse disorders for Medicaid patients. As the opioid epidemic continued, a synthetic marijuana called K2 made headlines for causing dozens of overdoses and deaths. Synthetic marijuana, which can be described as plant material sprayed with chemicals that mimic the high from real marijuana, but can cause hallucinations, suicidal thoughts, and violent behavior. Specific strains can also cause symptoms like vomiting, muscle breakdown, rapid heart rate, high blood pressure, kidney failure, and even heart attacks. California legalizes cannabis for adult recreational use, making it the largest legal pot market in the country. Despite federal laws classifying it as a controlled substance, 10 states and Washington, D.C. have now legalized marijuana for recreational use for adults over the age of 21. And 33 states have legalized medical marijuana.
I'm Dr. Manny, Fox News.